Welcome back. So let's just say, for the fun of it, that I actually don't want any kind of color on my toolbar right here. I want to override the theme. I want to show you guys just a simple CSS trick to kind of start overriding only specific elements in your entire theme, just using plain CSS. It's also a good thing to kind of know this when you're not always going to work with Angular theming, probably the material theme, so you might have to work with basic CSS. So let's have a look. If I just want to change the background for this specific toolbar right here, it's a very simple thing to do. Let's jump in and find the toolbar, the HTML. This is the one right now. Let's just start out by removing the primary color, which is of course some material stuff. So that's gone now. Let's try and see what happens. And you'll see the background is still gray, but that's not what I want. I want the background to be white. And let's try and figure that out. So how do we do this? Well, we could start adding a class right here, and we could say I want the special class to have a background of white, like this. Oh, I need a dot up there. Sorry about that. So I'll do a dot. There we go. Dot special. That should have the background of white right here. White. And then I could add this class to my toolbar, like this. Special. There we go. Now it's white. But that would mean everywhere I would now, if I put in special class, it might end up having a bad background. So I want to be more specific. I want to say for this toolbar right here, or this type of toolbar that has the name special, it's only those I want to change the background for. So therefore, I go in back to my CSS and I add this in front of the class name. So instead of saying just special, I'll call the class in here mat toolbar.special. Now it's only for the special classes on mat toolbars that'll get a background of white. Okay? So that pretty much means that if I put in, let me just try and make gibberish here to show you. Now notice the toolbar goes back to gray. Now if I get this back to special, but let's just say for the fun of it that I added special to this button right here as a class, just to see if I could also change the background on that guy. Special. There we go. Now notice the button doesn't change the background, because it's not a button that's special, it's a toolbar that I set to be special, right? So this is how you can go in if you specifically want to override some themes, areas, some components in your setup. You can do it like this. See you in the next lesson where we'll start looking at layout. Have fun.